Okay, here is another source of preparing Ofada stew. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have the meat stock, we have onions, I have boiled egg, fresh pepper, I have shaki, the cow leg, and the green bell pepper as well. This one I have the medusa fish, the dry fish, and here is my oil, the bleached oil, and I have turkey to go with it. So here is a twist of what we want to do now. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to carry my bleached oil and I'm putting it right in the pot. Can you guys see it? I've already bleached it, so watch my video, you will see the way I've bleached it as well. So I'll just leave it for like a minute or so. Then I'm going to put my onions, which is this. I'm using white onions. You can use any onions of your choice. You can see that it's already, in fact, the aroma here, I've not even put it. So now here is a twist of what I want to do. I believe that you guys know what is this in Africa. So I'm just going, instead of blending, I'm going to just use this paste and just give it a little twist. So what I did was not the fresh, I just boiled it for like 15 minutes. So I will keep doing this. I boiled it for 15 minutes. So instead of grinding, so it will be a little bit more easier for me. So it needs energy, so keep doing it just as you are doing your garlic egg. So while I'm doing, I want to just add this immediately, so I know I'm free. So you see, so the pepper will just go immediately because now keep matching it. So I'm still coming to show you the outcome of it at the end of the day. Okay, yeah, we are done with it. So you see the way I've done it. It's cooked already, so don't overcook it, just keep, so everything is mashed together. So the next step I'm going to do now is to put it in. Let me show you. Just turn it in and make sure you put everything. You will love it to this pot, eh? Oh. In Benin we call it, in my dialect, I'm a Benin girl, we call it uwawa. So I'll keep stirring. So at this point, I'm going to be adding the dry fish. The dry fish, I'm going to be adding it to it. I will leave it, keep stirring. So the next ingredient I'm going to be adding, I will be adding the lemon and the cow leg and the shaki. So I will be adding the meat stock. At this point, I will not be adding salt for the meantime, but I'm going to be adding Maggi cube, just one, and I'm going to be adding my crayfish. Then the last one, and not the least, before I'm not covering because it will just take like 10-15 minutes. Our Ofada stew is ready because we have already parboiled the green bell pepper. So I'm going to be adding my eggs. Of what use Ofada stew without eggs? Then the last thing, I'm just adding my turkey fried, and I'm leaving it for like 20-15 minutes, and I will show you back the outcome. Thank you. Our Ofada stew is ready. Can you guys see? I don't know which method you love best. Is it the normal blending or this process I show? For you to know that the Ofada stew is ready, you must see your groundnut, your oil run. You see it run. So it's almost ready. You must see your oil flowing on top. That shows that your Ofada stew is ready. So I'm eating mine with rice. So tell me in the description box which one is best, yam, cocoyam, whatever. So just subscribe, like, and share. And God bless everyone in Jesus' name. Bye-bye.